you're ready to go.
Roger that. Hey, truckers, you're just in time. My name's Wilson, and I'm a semi-truck. When there's large cargo to be delivered, they ask for my help. It's a great job, but it can be hard. Let's go deliver the cargo.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Oh, by the way, meet my buddy Bob. He's going to help us navigate and let traffic know we're carrying oversized cargo. Well, nothing new. It's a traffic jam.
Oh no, not again! More dust sandwiches! Let me help you, Billy. Thank you. No problem. I think I need a wash. That was a great shower. Now I don't need another shower until next week. Let's get going, Wilson. Okay, Wilson, I'm going to guide you. Please pay attention. This bridge is very narrow. A bit to the left. Now to the right. More to the right. More to the right, left, now go to the right. Stop, stop, you're going in the wrong direction. You have to go more to the right, not left. Now you see how important it is to know the difference between left and right.
Soon you'll go to space, my friend. It's going to be a long, long journey. Oh, Bob, I'm getting tired.
Looky there, a truck stop ahead. Let's stop and rest. We can continue in the morning. Come on, Wilson, we have to go. The weather's getting worse.
First, we have to refuel, and then we can continue driving, even in this weather. As you can see, truckers, it's sometimes hard to be a truck driver. Bob, it's getting bad. We must go slower.
We must help that poor car.
Thanks, dude. You rock.
You're welcome. Wilson, stop immediately. A large tree's fallen on the road. I have to warn the traffic that's coming this way. It's so foggy, they won't be able to stop in time. Stop, stop, there's a fallen tree, stop. There's a fallen tree. There's a fallen tree. This road is very curvy. Be careful, Wilson. It's too slippery.
Thanks, Bob. That snow isn't helping either. It's so slippery.
We're sliding towards the edge of the cliff.
Oh no! My brakes are overheating.
You saved us. Thank you.
No problem. Be careful. Looks like you have very important cargo.
Yes, it is.
I think this van needs our help. Are you overheated?
Oh, yeah. Should have never left home today.
Don't worry, ma'am. I'll tow you to the nearest gas station. They should be able to help you.
Thank you.
Bob, something's happened. Let's follow the fire truck. Maybe he needs our help.
Roger that.
I'm out of water, and I don't see any hydrants around here to refill.
Sorry, sir, but we don't have any water hydrants.
Is this tower full of water?
Yes, sir.
I need your help. Push. We can do this.
Hurry, those guys need our help.
Teamwork. Push. Many thanks.
You're welcome.
Please help this car.
Yes, sir.
Wilson, we have less than 20 hours left to deliver the cargo.
This is Cindy, the weather presenter, live from... Uh-oh, it's getting really windy. We advise everyone to seek shelter.
Wilson, I just heard on the radio, the weather's getting worse. Be careful. We have to keep moving. We have only 9 hours left to deliver the cargo. Oh no! Wilson! Wilson, drive as fast as you can.
Bob, look at that weather helicopter. I think she needs our help.
Wilson, keep going. I'll try to help her.
Thanks, guys. What are you hauling?
We're delivering the Stage 1 rocket. A friend of mine is going to space next week.
Wow, that sounds truly amazing. I've always wanted to go to space. Well, I have to go now. Stay safe and thanks so much once again. Really?
Well, buddy, I hope you have the greatest space adventure ever. Stay safe out there.
Go for main engine start. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, main engine start. 4, 3, 2, 1. Booster ignition and liftoff.